Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So, in this video, I'll show you how to activate and deactivate Touch ID on iPhone. But before you continue this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to go to the setting and scroll down. There are Touch ID and passcode. Go ahead and select that. And right here, the top iPhone unlock, I have deactivate. Go ahead and select it. So before you start, make sure your home button is clean and place your finger, lift your finger. Move it slightly around, make sure it's got everything working. Go ahead, click continue. And it's same way. Yep, Touch ID is ready, and click continue. Here's gonna ask you for Belpass security number. I'm gonna use and here at this point you have finger 1 is set. Then if you want to turn it off or deactivate, same way, go back to the setting, scroll down and click Touch ID and passcode, and it will asking for your passcode. Disable this. At this point, it will not allow your fingerprint to unlock your phone. Well guys, just a simple tutorial from me. I'll see you soon and good luck.